Hasn't been a long time, just 12 months and change it seems. But we skipped the small talk, went straight to building waking dreams. I didn't need a decade to know where your heart would land. One look across the table, I just put my future in your hand. Yeah, the world keeps spinning faster, things are bound to shift and fade. But that first moment that we shared, that's a promise that stays made. This isn't something written down, no contract signed in ink. This bond is deeper than the promises folks think. If the road dissolves beneath you, if the future starts to blur, know my promise is the constant. I'm always right where you were. We made years of history in just one single year, and I'll clear out any static just to keep you near. Remember that late night in the rain, when everything fell flat, no history to lean on, just standing where we sat. You didn't question my defense, I didn't need to prove my worth. That was the confirmation right there, the fastest way to earth. Yeah, the world keeps spinning faster, things are bound to shift and fade. But that first moment that we share, that's a promise that stays made. This isn't something written down, no contract signed in ink. This bond is deeper than the promises folks think. If the road dissolves beneath you, if the future starts to blur, know my promise is the constant. I'm always right where you were. This promise isn't looking back at what we've done, it's standing strong today until the rising of the sun. And everyone after. Some people spend a lifetime trying to find that kind of grace. They circle around the subject trying to find the right place. We didn't waste a minute on the doubt or on the fear. I knew exactly why you're here the moment you appear. This isn't luck, this isn't chance, it's the clearest choice I've known. Foundation built on honest ground, a garden we've sown. Now stand guard over every seed until the harvest comes.